We saw another nice day out there for our Sunday. Those temperatures once again above average in the upper 30s. Some spots even reaching 40 degrees like Mason City. Otherwise, mid to upper 30s were kind of the main trend here for the region today. But beautiful weather out there. We got that nice sunshine and a fun little treat there in the sky here this evening. Some of our viewers capturing that. Karen capturing this photo here in Rochester, kind of overlooking the KTTC studio there. These are Kelvin Helmholtz clouds, so they look like waves, and it's when there's enough moisture in the atmosphere, but there's also two different layers of air in the atmosphere that's cooler on the bottom, on that base, and then the upper level there is more warmer, lighter air, and so they're going at two different speeds. So that's kind of creates that little wave-like effect here, and we saw it right over the Rochester area. So another view of that, you can kind of see a little bit more defined there of that cloud, that wave-like formation. Barb capturing this great photo here in Rochester as well. So if you happen to capture this at all here in the Rochester region or elsewhere within the viewing area, send it our way, weather@kttc.com. Kind of a fun little thing there to see here on this Sunday afternoon. But that sun continuing to set here at this hour as we take a live look here at your Lewiston auto camera from Assisi Heights. Seeing mainly clear skies here this evening, but we are going to see more cloud cover building in later on tonight. Temperatures right now sitting into the upper 20s with light winds so far. We'll look to see those winds picking up tomorrow, but otherwise temperatures in the area sitting into the upper 20s, low 30s. We'll see temperatures cool off a bit more here throughout this evening, but kind of settling towards those upper 20s later on tonight. And as I mentioned, those winds looking to stay pretty light here throughout this evening, but really looking to pick up a bit more as we head into your Monday. So breezy winds back in the region once again for your Monday, and we'll look to see those strong winds kind of staying with us here throughout the next several days, especially Wednesday, looking to be the breeziest out of the next several days. But tonight looking to stay pretty quiet, temperatures into those 20s once again, so more chilly conditions on the way. But the good news is for folks that are liking more mild weather, you're in for some warm conditions here throughout the next several days. We will be staying rather dry here as well, so not expecting a lot for precipitation here for the next several days. But here is a look at your future track radar. Quite a bit of cloud cover up towards our north and to our west. Looking to see more of that cloud cover building in and kind of filling in our region here throughout the next several hours. So cloudy skies expected here later on tonight for the overnight hours. Otherwise, staying pretty quiet. Now, we may see a couple rain showers up towards the northern part of our viewing area, kind of getting towards Goodhue County, maybe kind of just clipping the northern part there of Wabasha County. We'll see a kind of a quick little clipper system pass to our north into the Twin Cities area, up towards northern Minnesota, kind of passing towards western Wisconsin there and northwestern Wisconsin. But for the most part, we'll stay pretty dry. Maybe parts of Goodhue County maybe getting clipped by a few rain showers, a couple snowflakes, but otherwise the rest of us staying dry and quiet throughout the rest of your Monday. Tuesday, also look to see some quiet weather in the region once again. A couple clouds here and there, but otherwise some nice sunshine is expected with temperatures looking to be into the 40s. So we will be well above average here throughout the next several days, anywhere from about 5 to 15 degrees above average, becoming more seasonal and actually on par. Quiet Sunday, but we woke up to a fresh blanket of snow from yesterday evening. A lot of us kind of picking up a good blanket of that snow. 4.5 inches over in Riceville, Iowa, 4 inches in Decorah, Iowa, and Plainview here at the Rochester International Airport, picking up 2.9 inches of snowfall. 2.6 over in Austin, 2.5 in Casson, Mason City bringing in with 2 inches of some snow. Now we're also dealing with another round of some light snow here this evening, but our highs today getting into the upper single digits, low teens. A little chilly out there, still well below average, but still kind of dealing with some light snow in the area here this evening. That's giving us kind of that slight reduced visibility in the area, so make sure to use a little extra caution if you do have to head out on the roads here this evening. It's a live look at your Lewiston auto camera from Assisi Heights. So temperature right now sitting at 7 degrees here in Rochester with those cloudy skies. Winds breezy out of the south around 16 miles per hour. That does bring that feel-like temperature down into the teens, below zero for many spots. Now, most of us this evening kind of hanging out with those temperatures into the single digits to low teens. Wind chills, though, kind of hanging towards about 0 degrees off towards the riverside, and colder than that here for the rest of us. So overall, pretty chilly here this evening, but we are certainly continuing to track that chance for some light snow in the area here this evening. Most of us will stay under an inch of accumulation, but the upcoming week does look to bring some up and down temperatures. And outside of tonight, snow chances do look to stay pretty limited here for the area for the next several days. But here is that light snow, kind of seeing that next band kind of starting to move in from the northwest there, starting to see some light snow kind of begin to accumulate here for our area as well. This system pretty fast moving. We'll look to see it continue to pull through our area here over the next couple of hours, really wrapping up just before that morning commute needs to begin. So most of the snow out of our area towards about 2 to 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, and look to bring us just kind of a nice light little dusting here with minor accumulations here for the area. So in terms of overall snow totals, as I mentioned throughout tonight, looking to stay towards about an inch at the very most. Most of us kind of getting just a quick dusting, a few tenths of an inch, but highest totals will be right about that half inch to an inch, with the heaviest kind of hanging around from about Albert Lee, Charles City, Austin, and then towards the east there. So as we kind of time things out here for the rest of this evening, that snow continue to pull through, exiting our area towards about that 2 to 4 a.m. hour, depending on your location. Then looking to see cloudy skies, throughout the rest of the morning hours. Now, you may still have to deal with a little tough spots on that morning commute, so make sure to maybe allow for a little extra travel time. And of course, add a little extra caution there to the drive as well. But we'll see temperatures kind of peaking into those teens for our afternoon highs kind of early on in the day, then dropping back to the single digits by dinner time. By about 6 o'clock or so, a lot of us kind of hanging out into those low single digits overnight. Kind of another wave of some cold Arctic air pushing into the area. So look to see temperatures as we wake up Tuesday morning into the teens below zero. So another cold start here to the day. As we head throughout Tuesday, temperatures really just struggle to near that 0 degree mark. So will be another cold one, but we will see temperatures warming as we head towards Wednesday. A little bit better here for the region. Now, those up and down temperatures continue, looking to be into those teens come Monday, below zero for highs come Tuesday, but climbing towards the mid to upper 20s as we head towards Thursday. That'll be the only day of the week that will actually be above average. We'll be near average towards Saturday and Sunday, but still dipping back into the single digits come Friday. So we'll deal with some chilly days here throughout the upcoming week, but looking to stay pretty quiet in manner. Tonight, we'll see temperatures dropping down into those single digits, then gradually warming here during the overnight hours. We'll see light snow tonight, maybe up to an inch of accumulation. Tomorrow, looking to see temperatures into the teens, maybe a couple low 20s in some of our warmer spots with some partly sunny skies throughout the day. Temperatures will be dropping throughout the afternoon, so we'll see those highs early on in the day. But otherwise, another blast of some cold air come Tuesday, more sunshine on the way. Get ready to really bundle up and kind of limit to that time outside. Would not surprise me to see some wind chill related headlines coming our way here for later on Monday night, maybe even Tuesday as well. So something to keep a close eye on. And of course, if you do have outdoor plans, maybe transition them to more indoors if possible.
Stay inside.
Stay warm. Limit that possibility of frostbite exposure.
Absolutely. Thank you, Sarah.
Widespread sunshine, beautiful blue skies, and those temperatures very seasonal. Hard to beat. Very gorgeous spring weekend that we're enjoying here today and tomorrow as well. Those high temperatures reaching those low to mid 50s across southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa. Really just gorgeous, fantastic conditions. So hard to beat that. But as we look ahead here into tomorrow, good news is we continue on with these beautiful conditions. We'll see a few more clouds for tomorrow, but still a beautiful day. We'll see highs in the 50s, very seasonal. We may catch a stray shower or two during the evening hours for your Sunday, but Monday, then looking to bring a quiet start to the week. But our focus quickly shifts towards the midweek, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Looking to bring our next weather maker to the region, looking to bring some showers, even some storms and quite a bit of wind to the region. We'll look to see those seasonal temperatures remaining in the 40s and into 50s as well, but we're keeping a close eye on this next possible system to impact your midweek. So as we kind of track this next system, it looks to come out of the Colorado region, looking to kind of impact much of the upper Midwest, looking to bring rain. It's kind of our main weather maker here to the system. Timing, once again, just like the last couple of systems, Tuesday evening through about Thursday. And our main precip type here with this system looking to be rain. Some storms even possible as well, but the biggest questions that still remain that will get answered here in the next couple of days is, do we have the potential for some severe storms through Tuesday into Wednesday? That's one of our big questions. And the other question is going to be, could we possibly see some snow out of this system as well? Still another spring system to impact our area, and that all kind of depends on if we do see a shift at all in this storm track. So still a couple big questions to answer, but we do know rain looking to be the biggest impact here with that system so far. But kind of timing things out tonight, looking pretty quiet out there. We'll look to see a few clouds here and there. Things staying pretty quiet into your Sunday as well. Temperatures once again into those 50s, but by about Sunday evening, few isolated stray showers possible. Again, not going to be a big impact to your Sunday evening. You may have to step inside from some of those outdoor activities, but otherwise things staying quiet as we enter towards Monday. We'll look to see a great start to the work week, some nice sunshine as well. But as we head towards Tuesday, that will be when that next weather maker looks to impact our region. So locally this evening, staying pretty quiet out there. A couple upper level clouds starting to move into the region, and really just enjoying some gorgeous sunshine, all from our Lewiston Auto live cameras. all across the region here this evening. But right now, sitting at 51 degrees in the Med City with that sunshine, pretty calm winds for our area as well. Most of us seeing those temperatures into the low 50s this evening. We'll be down into the 30s as we head towards tonight. Mid 30s expected, a couple clouds here and there. Overall, a pretty quiet, pleasant evening. Now, as we head towards tomorrow, another gorgeous day on tap for the region. We'll see highs into the mid 50s. Wind picking up throughout the day as well as looking to be pretty blustery. Gusts up towards about 30 miles per hour at times. So really just a beautiful day.